Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot for Rock, Paper, Shears. You know, we learned some of this stuff in school, but it's never too bad to have a quick review. Let's talk about partings and sectionings. When we divide up a head for hair cutting, because we can't cut the whole head at once, that's trying to eat a rhinoceros. You gotta cut it up in little pieces. When we divide up a head, we use partings to create sections. Sections are then subdivided into subsections. See how the language works? Within a subsection, we use partings to create partings. Again, partings, not the parts on the head, but a small section of hair parted off to be addressed. There's our guide. If we have a guide, we take a parting, we add that hair to a previous subsection, we look for the guide, and we match it up. Some of the fundamentals of good hair cutting, to take an entire head of hair, breaking it down with partings into sections and subsections, lets us lay a solid foundation and build beautiful haircuts. Partings can be straight. Partings can be curvilinear. Partings can be vertical. In this case, vertical relative to the side surface of the head. Partings could be horizontal. Again, horizontal relative to the side profile of the head. When we get up on the top of the head, a parting from top dead center, front to back like that, is typically referred to as a horizontal parting, and a perpendicular subsection would typically be referred to as vertical. But you have to keep in mind when you listen to these terms, we have to think about them relative to where we are on the head and the other aspects of what we're doing, because a vertical parting, when it moves to the side of the head or when it moves to the top, can be considered horizontal based on our position relative to it. So don't make it too confusing. I think the most important point to be conscious of is the idea that an entire head using partings, sections, and subsections is broken down into pieces or components that we can work with individually to create guides, follow guides, and build beautiful work. You want to take good care of customers, Rock, Paper, Shears, we want to take good care of you. That's why we're here online providing you with education and information. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.